Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I'm unboxing something a little different. What is it, might you ask? Oh, let's see. Do you want to know what it is? Well, today, I'm unboxing the BioBidet Bliss Electric Bidet Seat. So yes, I know this is just a little different than what I normally unbox, but there is tech behind this. This is a gadget, and why not? So you have the remote. You have all the tools that you'll need, hoses and whatnot. You also, inside the box, have the manual. And then lastly, I'm going to pull out the seat. And here is everything out of the box. So next is out with the old, and this is the old seat. And we're going to be in with the new here shortly. This is the tools that you'll need, all the little pieces and parts to install the seat. You get two hoses that you'll want to replace. You'll want to take your old ones off and use the nice pieces that come with this. The parts are actually really good quality parts, so you'll probably most likely want to use what's given in the box. So like again, I said, here are all the parts. Here is the one tool you'll need, which is a wrench, because most of this will just be untightening and tightening these parts, these little bolts and whatnot. So that's a lot of what you'll do. So he finally got the piece off, so both sides. Next up, we're going to unfasten and drain the little bit of water that might be left within this hose. And so as you see, it's not much. So that's one part. So we already did step one, which is turn off the water and all that. We already did step two because we removed the existing seat and the lid. Use your wrench to continue to unfasten the hose. Keep your little cup handy for any extra water left in that area over there. And as you see, it's really not much. Here's the new part. And here's the old part. So it's a much longer hose and a better quality material. And then this part, make sure that rubber washer is there to maintain any possible leakage. You're going to tighten it up, then use your wrench to do that final tighten job. Tight is tight and all right. Okay, so 3 and 4. So let's go ahead to step 5. And this is installing the catch plate. Where is the catch plate? And this piece right here. So you're going to need this along with these two. So you can fasten them on, as well as these little plates right here, which they go, as you see, like that, like so, and they can slide. So here are the catch plate and the pieces on. Make sure to align the seat up with this area right here, because this is how you're going to align it and slide it back like so. And here you go. So next is the last hose. Now that the seat is attached, we can go ahead and put this hose on. Fasten, fasten, fasten. Next up, you'll take this piece, you'll fasten it onto the end of this hose. The last thing you want to do before plugging in the device is fasten both sides of the seat to make sure that it's not going to slide around. So just make sure that you align it before you do the final tightening. And then lastly, you will want to plug it in like so. And as you see, it has power. Okay, and so now that it stopped flashing, I see a blue light off to the side of the seat. And what is that? Okay, so here's buttons if you don't have the remote that you can go ahead and try it out. But here's the remote. Let's test this out. As you hear, it seems pretty strong. My concerns was when I was reading the reviews on this product, a lot of people were saying that it could be the pressure could be a bit stronger. As you see with me pressing it all the way to the max and low, it has pretty good pressure. And so I would say that the people that were having issues, it most likely is the pressure within your house. This model also has a dryer so it can dry where needed. Well, there you have it, my unboxing and installation of the BioBidet Bliss electric bidet seat, which I picked up for around $700 and some change. This seat is heated, the water is heated, there is a night light, a remote with several functions and options for you if need be, and also it is electric. This is model BB-2000W if you need to know that. And I wish I honestly kind of did my research and followed up on this a lot sooner. To me, this is a more sanitary approach to things. It's not standard in the US as much as other countries where it's just what they use. And to me, I think this is a great investment. It is great for the planet with helping that out as well as for your health. So thanks for watching, and I know this was a little different, but it is okay to be different. Until next time, guys, peace.